Hi, Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and today we're going to be doing a quick product feature on the Colorado drone charger, specifically for the DJI Mavic 3 series. As a drone pilot, you know the importance of having charged batteries ready to go at a moment's notice, and having a reliable charging solution is half the battle. This compact charger is designed for the DJI Mavic 3 series and is packed with features that make it a must-have for your drone loadout. First off, it's incredibly fast. The Colorado drone charger can charge up to 4 Mavic 3 batteries at once and does so in record time. You won't have to worry about waiting around for your batteries to charge anymore. The average charge time for 4 Mavic 3 batteries is roughly 45 to 60 minutes, and that is not 45 to 60 per battery, that is the total. Along with the 4 batteries, the charger can also charge your smart controller. This gives you more flight time on less batteries and keeps you on the job or mission that you're performing. A few specs on the charger have it weighing in just over 8 pounds without the batteries, and it comes in a hard case that can take a beating and is dust and watertight. As you can see, the case is relatively compact and measures in on the length at just over 13 inches. Powering the charger can be done from a normal 110 outlet, inverter, or generator, and to keep the batteries conditioned, this charger has multiple cooling fans and voltage meters to make sure everything is operating in the best possible condition. The best part is that this is a veteran-owned company and these products are made right here in America, and as you can probably guess it, that location is Colorado. Florida Drone Supply is a proud supplier of Colorado drone chargers, and while this video was focused on the charger for the Mavic 3 batteries, the great people at Colorado Drone Chargers also make chargers for Autel, Parrot, Teal, Skydio, and multiple DJI aircraft. There's a link in the description below for you to learn more and purchase these chargers directly from us here at Florida Drone Supply. These cases are handmade, and while we try to keep a few on the shelf, they do move quickly, and there could be a slight delay or lead time on fulfilling orders when they are out of stock. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.